Hey everybody, welcome back to Code a Responsive Website with Bootstrap 3. This video is called Coding the Footer. In this video, we are going to code the HTML for the footer section of our website. So this part right here. So let's jump right in, open your code editor and scroll down to the footer HTML tag. Inside of your footer, you're going to want to add a div with the class of container. The reason why you're going to want to add container tag is because it now sits outside of the container that we added way up here. And we did that because we want it to sit outside of the flow of that. We want the black background of the footer to span the full width of the browser, but we still want a container within this so we could use the Bootstrap grid classes. So add a div with the class of row. Save that. And add a div with the class of call small dash 2. Close that. And let's add another column. So div with the class of call small 4. Just to save some typing, I'm going to copy this. Let's say end. And we're going to add another, actually, a couple more of the call small 2, like that. Okay, and within the first one, we're going to add a level 6 heading and say copyright, and then ampersand copy semicolon to get the copyright symbol, and 2013, and you can just enter your name here. And a level 6 heading in the next column, about us, and below that add a paragraph tag with some lorem ipsum text. You could just basically put a little mini snippet of what the website is about, or about you, or about your company, or whatever. The next column, add a level 6 heading, say navigation, and we're going to add a UL honored list, give it the class of unstyled. That's a Bootstrap class. It automatically removes the default styles for the UL. It's going to not have the bullets, and it's going to have no margin. So it's just going to be a list of links with no bullets. Add 4 list items, href, and add those within the list items as well. And then add just some nav items, home, services, links, and contact. Save that. And then we will add a similar thing to this next column. But so just to save some typing, copy and paste this in there. Change the H6 to follow us. And say Twitter, Facebook, Google+. And just remove this last one. And there's actually one more column. I didn't do my math right. There's one more call small 2. And in there is going to be a level 6 heading and coded with, let's put a span with the class of glyph icon. We're going to add another glyph icon. And glyph icon heart. And then by, and put your name. Save that. Let's check it out. Here we go. Here's the footer. It's looking pretty good. First thing I noticed is these list items are actually still styled. They still have the bullets when I said that they wouldn't because we used the unstyled class. I just realized that the unstyled class is no longer in use for Bootstrap 3. In the previous version of Twitter Bootstrap, this is what you used to add list items that were unstyled. So basically what we'll do is we'll just add our own style in the next lecture to do that, to unstyle these list items. And then we'll also add the background and do a couple extra things, and then that will be it. So I'll see you in the next lecture.